Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani Sugar and H. La Cosedora the Fall Plate and Maniology Gold Rush and Poison. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Moonshine Mani Sugar. I believe this is in her Dupe It project and I think it's like Cinderella from China Glaze. Very similar if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, here we go. We're going to get to painting. So I'm going to get this first coat on. Like I said, I've already got my base coat on and it's dry. And I'm going to get this first coat on and let it dry a little bit. And then I head on back to my thumb, which was the first nail I painted. That's how I do mine. I don't really wait a long time or anything in between coats. It's just how I do it. Here we go with our second coat of Sugar. And I think this is like a really good fall polish because, you know, you get those gray skies, but we still want our little pink and, you know, bling. And this has got that shimmer in it hard. It is so pretty how it jumps out at you. I mean, you can see it. You can see it. It's not hiding. It's not just staying in the bottle like that. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get that nail cleaned up. Good job. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door. Get them dry down and get ready for some playing with this fall stamping plate. You know, I don't know. I mean, it didn't say fall on it, but it came in the 4 seasons, and it's the fall plate in my mind. So that's what it is. Pretty. There's a swatch photo on its own. Sugar. And here is the H. La Cosedora, and you can see why I'm calling it the fall plate. I mean, we got all these fall images, and I love these plates. And we got Maniology here, and this one's Gold Rush. Nice gold. And then this green is called Poison. Got my H. La Cosedora scraper out and a Maniology cube stamper. And I'm just applying dots of these colors onto the plate. I'm going to do kind of a smush stamp. That's what I call it. I don't know what it's really called. But I did give it 2 scrapes to kind of blend the colors a little bit. And here we go. Ta-da! Gonna clean my stamper off on a lint roller. Get it all ready for the next one. And I'm cleaning that plate with acetone. Yes, indeed. I don't know how else you would clean them. I mean, if you use anything with oils in it, you're not going to get good crisp pickups. So that's how I clean mine. I don't soak them in it. I just scrub them down with it. A couple of scrapes. Get my stamper. We'll do a little roly roll. And then a little roll it onto the nail. All right. Just bebopping along here. That's one thing I love about stamping. Once you get it and you figure out what works for you, it's quick. You can get some nails done quick. Yes, indeed. All right. And I decided to use this other leaf image on the plate. You can see I left part of the plate dirty. That was the one I just got done using. And now we're going to go over these. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. Clean that stamper off and get that plate cleaned off because we got some more. Well, one more, I think. I think it's just one more. Yeah, it is. It's one more. All right. I am excited about fall polishes and manicures, but I'm here to tell you, if I decide I want to do some hot pink or neon purple, I'm going to do it. Doesn't matter the season. Here we go. All right, so I'm cleaning my scraper card off with the acetone. And then I'm going to get this plate clean too because it's all covered up. At least the bottom half of it is. And get that plate up so I can clean the back of it. And then my little mat, I got to flip my cotton ball over. Get some more acetone. Clean my little mat up. Oh, I can't pick that plate up. And I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. Just a quick wipe down. Ta-da! Yay! All clean. And I'm going to go in with a piece of tape And I had somebody ask me, what tape works best. And you could use any tape. You could use Scotch tape, clear tape, masking tape, painter's tape, whatever works for you, whatever you got. I like having the masking tape because I don't know, I guess, okay, I'm not a real fan of Scotch tape because if it folds over on itself, good luck getting that stuff apart. The masking tape works better. Got my cleanup done, so now I'm going to use the Maniology smudge-free top coat over the top of these nails. And I know y'all got to be thinking, what's on your other hand? Trust me, I post it all. It's going to be there at some point. Now that is dry, I'll be going in with my Poshe top coat and sealing this manicure in, finishing it up, and calling it a day. Can you hit that free edge there? But I really enjoyed how this one turned out. It's a little different, kind of a different color combo for me. And that is it. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.